In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a report in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through where to find reports, how to pick the one you need, customize it so it answers your question, and then save, email, or print it. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Online company. From the left navigation menu, open Reports. This takes you to the Reports Center, where QuickBooks groups your standard reports by category so they're easy to locate. Here you can browse categories like Business Overview, Sales, Expenses, and more, or use the search bar near the top if you already know the report name. Typing a few letters brings up matching options, so it's quick to find essentials such as profit and loss, balance sheet, or AR aging. When you see the report you want, select it to open. It'll load with default settings, usually for the current month or quarter depending on your company preferences. Now customize the report so it's meaningful. At the top, adjust the report period by choosing a preset like this month, last month, or this fiscal year, or enter custom dates. If your business uses cash and accrual views, pick the accounting method that fits the analysis you're doing. Use Customize to refine columns, groupings, and filters, things like customer, vendor, product or service, or specific accounts. Each time you change settings, click Run Report to refresh the results. As you review, scan subtotals and totals to make sure the numbers align with what you expect. If something looks off, tighten the filters or expand the date range to include missing transactions. Once the report looks right, it's time to share it. Choose Save Customization to preserve your settings for next time and give it a clear name so you can find it under Custom Reports. To send it out, use the email option and enter the recipient details, or use the print icon to create a clean, printer-friendly version. Preview before printing to check orientation and margins. If you prefer working offline, you can also export the report to a file and then share it. Before you finish, glance at the header to confirm the report title, date range, and accounting method are accurate. Small details that make a big difference. That's it. You've opened the Reports Center, selected a report, customized it, and saved or shared the results, all inside QuickBooks Online.